This is the April Makeup Mystery Box by Agora. Let's see what's in here this month. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we have this. So this is the April Agora Mystery Makeup Box. Let's open it up and have a sneak peek. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So as you may know, I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I need 188 subscribers to get there. Once we get there, I have 3 prizes to do a giveaway. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's just showing what those 3 prizes are. They are all great, but the main prize is the Glossy 2021 Advent Calendar. It's absolutely amazing. Let's have a little sneaky peek. So we've got the thank you card we always get when we're in there. I can't really give you a sneaky peek. If I do that, it's going to pour over the floor. So let's just have a dig through to see what we've got. If you are interested in receiving this box for yourself, it's £12.99. I will put a link for the app down below in the information box and the comment box. Just click that and go and have a look to see what edits they have. So they have all different kinds of edits where you can actually see what's in the box. But this is a mystery box. I haven't really been happy with the mystery boxes for quite a while now, so I have a tough decision to make, and this box is going to make it or break it for the makeup box. Let's get to it. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Lash Perfect, and it's a duo set sticky liner, all-in-one black eyeliner, lash glue and strip lash set. Okay, but there it is there. Again, I'm not really into lashes. I'm just dabbling in eyeliner at the moment. I'm really not very good at that either. So I don't know if this product is for me. If you are, obviously I am just one person. There's lots of people out there that are interested in lashes, which will probably love this. I might try and have a play and just see what it's all about. I don't know yet, because if I do that, this is going to be wasted on me, to be honest. Yeah, so we have some lashes and a sticky glue eyeliner. Product number 2, we have this. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and it's a multitasking sponge. I love a beauty sponge, most definitely. I never used to use them. I only started using them, I think, when I started doing my YouTube channel, to be honest, and I've fallen in love with them. And yeah, that is definitely going to be put to good use, most definitely. I love them, and I think I've had this one before. It's a really good one too. Product number 3 we have is this. So this is an eyeliner pencil by Lord & Berry. It just says here it's in the shade 224, which is wild sage. I can't talk properly. So yeah, as you can tell by the colour of the actual outside of the pencil and the inside of the pencil, it is a lovely green colour. I don't know, would I suit green eyeliner? I have no idea, but let's give it a go, because it's something I'm definitely interested in. That is so soft and creamy. Wow, I really like that. Oh my goodness, I really like that. That is kind of cool. Would that look all right in my waterline? Because I'm really rubbish at putting eyeliner on my top lid. I think that's a stunning colour though. Yeah, as I said, that's such a rich, creamy, pigmented one. Okay, not bad. The 4th and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand bellapierre, and it doesn't say what it is, but it's in the colour Stage. I'm presuming that is an eyeshadow pigment. It's like in a goldy colour, with a slight tinge of green to it, but I think it's more gold. It's like a goldy, shimmery eyeshadow pigment. I'm not going to open it because I do want to see this go to a good home, because I've got lots of things this colour in anyway. But yeah, it is very, very nice. Bellapierre is a lovely, lovely makeup brand. So this is the April Makeup Mystery Box by Agora. What do you think? Personally, I am stuck on what to think. I love the beauty sponge. I love using them, so that's definitely going to be used. I'm actually really intrigued by that green eyeliner. I'm gonna give that a go. The eyeshadow pigment, it's actually really pretty. Should I give that a go too? The only thing I'm a bit iffy on is the lashes, because I'm not really a lash person. I was thinking about buying, I can't remember the name of them, the lashes that you stick under your lashes. I was actually thinking about trying them and see how I get on with them. But now you're back to the box. I don't know what to think. In my head, before I got this box, I ordered it and I thought, right, it's all on this box, because I've been so disappointed with the makeup mystery box for such a long time, and the skincare one, but we'll discuss that in the skincare video that I'm going to do. And this was going to make me decide, am I going to keep it or am I going to stop buying it? And after this box, I don't know, because I'm just stuck. I mean, it's not a great, fabulous box by any means, but it's actually not a bad box this month. Help, guys, help. I need help. What do you guys think I should do? Should I keep getting the mystery makeup box by Agora? Please comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If I don't continue to get this anymore, what would people like me to do? Get another app, get another edit on their app, one where you can see but I won't look at it. I can just randomly choose a new edit that's come out every month. I'm not sure on what to do. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.